Oh, you want to do that? That's going to make it more difficult. Okay guys, I'm going to just show you how to set up a project properly. So you put in a cover page of your choice. Let's say it's that one. Okay, that's under insert cover page. And this will be Pat Phase 1.1. You'll put your name, you'll put my name, all that information there, right? That's your cover page, right? Okay, now on page 2, what would your second page of a project be? Okay, it's going to be a table of contents. So we're going to use references. Have a look. And you can do this, you should do this with all your projects, for all your subjects. References, you can go to table of contents and put in a table of contents. Okay, I'm going with an automatic one. Okay, automatic table of contents is in. Underneath that I can put in a page break because I don't want anything else on that page. And now we're going to put our headings. So looking at your assignment, which is there. Okay. I've lost that thing. This one. Okay, resources, your pet. Okay, so I'm going down to the rubric for this section. And our first heading, guys, problem identification. Let's see if that works. Okay, problem. And if you do your rubric in this, your project in this order, you guarantee it's easier for the marker to mark. Okay. To get problem identification, okay, let's just do that one, get another one. Report on research. Report on research, evidence of research. Okay, guys, look here, next skill. To have these appear, these headings of yours appear in your table of contents, you need to, under the Home tab, make them headings. So if it's a main heading, you select heading 1, right? And then you can come to your table of contents and update it, and there it is. So your table of contents has that information in. Okay. And you can keep going, putting all the other topics there. Okay. And then that's how you do your project. Under problem identification, you're going to come and you're going to do your research here, whatever. Under reports, you're going to put your marks there. And you use the rubric while you're doing it. You check. When I'm doing my reports, is the extensive research done? Is it relevant? Is it excellent? Is it clear in direction for the project? Do I show thorough understanding? Okay, evidence of research. Proof of your own research of at least 3 sources of 2 different types. So, 2 different types of resources. So, newspapers and the internet, etc. You with me there? Okay. That will get all that done. Do you know how to use referencing properly? Okay, let me show you how to reference. Let's say I got this information from a website. Thank you. Let's say I went to SPCA. Joburg SPCA. Let's say I get something from this website. On your, where are you busy working, you go to references again. Everything you need is under references. Manage sources. If we're doing the Harvard method, we can go manage sources, and we can create a new source. Okay, so here's information. If we're getting information from here, you're focused. It's a website. You agree, type of source, website, name of web page. Okay, the name of web page is the, let's say, Joburg SPCA. The URL will go there. So I'm going to say name of web page, something like that. The year. That's if there's a year that this was updated, which will probably be this year. Year accessed was this year. Month accessed. You can type. You can do that or go 09. Day access 02. Right, this is when I've accessed this author. I'm using a particular article in here. It might have been written by a particular author. If you can find information, you put that in there. But at the moment it's unknown.
So can you just say the website as the author, like the journal SPC?
If you don't know who the author is, it's unknown. But like often if you're using an article, there will be an author name, especially if you're using a news source. Okay, then you say, okay, you've created your reference. This is what it will look like in your bibliography. So then right at the end of your project, I'm going to put another page break in here, insert page break. So here, this is my last page. Under references, I can put my bibliography in there. And it will pull it automatically from your managed sources. Okay, so when I create a new source, I go here again, I say new. And let's say I use some of my old sources, just so you can see a bit more. Let's update that. See. So that way you've created a proper reference list of all your sources. That's the basics of what you need to do. You can also put in page numbers. You know how to do that. Let's go to insert. Should be able to page numbers here. Page number. Top of page. If you want your page numbers in the center. There we go. Right, so that's how you would create your own. And also if you change, update anything, you need to update your table as well. Update the entire table. Our bibliography is also there. Okay, you get that. Okay, so I will create that skeleton for you and share it. You guys can start doing research and seeing what you want to do.